Hello, everybody, and welcome to another wonderful episode of the Rusi News Network. We always look forward to seeing you every day, and we love your feedback, so please keep it coming. It what keeps the energy going and pumps it all up for us. Okay, today we have some great news stories for you. The first and most important news story is the Indian Council for Medical Research, ICMR. I see or I don't see, whatever it is. Anyways, they have told us that they have recently discovered that in two bat species in Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and Himachal Pradesh, wherever those places are, they have found that in two bat species there are new species of coronavirus that they have found.
I have one question. Why we're still messing around with bats, huh? We don't learn lesson first time round.
Yes, I know that is a good question of you to ask, but I also wanted to tell you that they have tested 78 Rosetus bats and discovered that in the rectal swabs of 4 of them, the virus is positive.
Any of you people who is not happy with your job, take note of this fellow. Next time you complain, I won't send you to Gulag. I send you to bat butt wiping colony.
Hey Rosie, I just wanted to tell you Dolan is upset. He's really upset, like he's the upsettest upset he's ever been, you know. I mean, he's so upset, he's going like a batshit crazy. He's going like a most batshit crazy as a batshit crazy can be, you know. I mean, he's saying, look, in America, we're struggling for a toilet paper, and you guys are butt wiping bats. Come on, he's going to impose sanctions, you know. He's going to put like a sanctions. He's going to put the sanctions in the world, you know. Come on, it's going to be the greatest sanction ever. Come on.
Oh my god, I'm not batting an eyelid at all. You never know what these bats are capable of. Didi, तुम भी यहाँ ही बैठो और तुम भी eyelid bat मत करो बिल्कुल, हाँ?
Meanwhile, the IPL has called and said if they have the balls, can they play without the bats this year?
And how come nobody is giving us this butt wiping service, damn it?
In tech news, the new iPhone SE has been launched. There are going to be some new features. The first of it is that they are going to keep the same bionic chip that they are using in all their other phones for this phone too.
I can totally see why they're using the same chips. I've been nibbling at the same chip packet for the last 1 month, yeah.
They have also brought back the famous home button.
Seriously, yeah, home button right now. I mean, they didn't have to rub it in. At least they should have given us an out-of-home button. Hashtag boo Tim Cook, hashtag boo Apple, hashtag go home iPhone. Silly people, yeah.
And it is now official. Swami Nityanand has declared Donald Trump as his official avatar on the mainland.
You see, because in the he is me, and I can see the me in he, that is the he in he, that is a manifestation of the you in he, which is a manifestation of the me in he, which makes me want to go he till I pee pee.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, again for sitting through this wonderful episode. We hope you enjoyed yourself and you will tune in for more. Please make sure you send this to lots of your friends so that they too can waste their time. Meanwhile, stand together but stay apart. Wash your hands, scrubbity scrub, and God bless.